Welcome to Beyondra. Today, we're diving into a super exciting question. What would happen if you threw a football in space? This isn't just a fun thought experiment. It's also a fascinating way to understand the unique laws of physics that govern the universe. And trust me, the results will blow your mind. First, let's start with the basics. In space, there's no gravity like on Earth. That means if you throw a football, it won't fall to the ground, it won't slow down, and it'll just keep flying. Yup, it could literally keep going forever, unless of course it crashes into something like a planet, an asteroid, or maybe even an unlucky satellite. Pretty cool, right? But here's the kicker. In space, there's no air. No air means no friction, so there's nothing to slow the ball down. Whatever speed you throw it at is the speed it's going to keep. Imagine throwing a football at 20 kilometers per hour. It'll just keep zipping along at 20 kilometers per hour without ever slowing down. Unlike on Earth, where air resistance quickly puts the brakes on, in space, things just keep moving perfectly. This is a classic example of Newton's first law of motion. An object in motion stays in motion unless acted on by an external force. So if you were a strong football player, how far do you think you could throw the ball? In reality, with enough force, you could even launch the ball out of Earth's orbit. That's right, your football could become a mini satellite circling the planet. Or if you throw it hard enough, it might just keep going, forever disappearing into the vast emptiness of deep space. But wait, the story doesn't end there. Imagine aiming your throw toward Mars, the red planet, and the ball actually lands there. NASA scientists would probably be scratching their heads, wondering, how did a football get here? Or even cooler, if your ball got caught by the gravitational pull of a distant planet, it might end up as part of its orbit, joining a completely different planetary system. Wild, huh? This isn't just a fun mental exercise. It's also a great way to highlight the incredible laws of physics that operate in space. Motion, inertia, and the absence of air resistance in a vacuum all combine to make space such a mind-blowing place. So what do you think? If you had the chance, which direction in the universe would you throw your football? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of the amazing content we've got coming up on Beyondra. See you in the next video, where we'll keep exploring the incredible mysteries of the cosmos.